Alright guys, hope y'all are doing well. This is day, 20, should be day 25 without sports. Anyway, here we go. We are learning about surface area of a cylinder. So, I must have drawn a really bad cylinder, but we'll go with it. So yeah, surface area is basically all around it. How much area all around it. When we know volume is how much is inside of it. So yeah, this is our formula that we're going to go by. And yeah, here is the worksheet that we're doing. So our radius is 3 because it's half. I'm going to just put that in there because that way I don't have to click back and forth. Height is 4. It's 4. Now, R stands for radius, D stands for diameter. Now, diameter is always twice the length of the radius. So since our radius is 3, that means our diameter is 6. So now I believe we have everything to do it. Yes, well, and we could just say pi. If you don't have a calculator, just put 3.14. And also, if you don't have a calculator or your TI-84 and you plug 3.14 in, your answer is just going to be a little bit different, obviously, because pi goes on forever in a calculator. But anyway, so let's set this thing up. So 2 is just 2. And then we have pi, which if you don't have a calculator, remember you can put 3.14. Our radius is 3, so let's put a little parenthesis, 3 squared, plus 2d. So remember, d is twice the length of the radius, so we're putting 6 now. So times 6. And height, our height is 4 for this problem. So now you can simply do this. Oops, I already have the thing up. So you can do 2 times 3.14, that's pi, equals times 9. Now why did I do 9? Because 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, equals 56.52. So this is the left side of the problem. Now we have to find the right. So now moving on to the right side of the problem, we have 2 times 6 times 4, which gives us 48. So plus 48. So now we can do 48 plus 56.52, which gives us 104.52 feet squared. Remember to always put it as feet squared. Here we'll do one more. Should I undo it or just let's see how far I can undo it. Oh, sweet. I actually kind of got pretty far. So yeah, give me just a second while I erase this. I don't know how to make the eraser bigger. That's like my one fault in Paint so far. Alright, moving on. We'll do, let's see, we just did number 1. I guess let's do number 2. What the heck? So number 2. Okay, this is very important. Notice how the 7 goes all the way across. 7 is the diameter. So diameter is 7. Now our radius, now we know that the diameter is twice the size of the radius, so that means to find the radius, we have to do half of the diameter, which gives us 3.5. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, so that means our radius is 3.5, which that's kind of a weird radius to have, but we'll go with it. Height is 10. and pi. So yeah, here we go. We're ready. We are officially set up. So we have 2 is just 2. And then we have pi. Our r is 3.15. Squared plus 2 is 2. Our diameter is 7. Times height, which is 10. So now, I always like solving side and side, like we did on the previous one. So we can do 2 times 3.14 for pi, which gives you 6.28. Then actually, here, I'm going to put 6.28 down real quick, so don't forget it. And 3.5 squared. Okay, so we have 6.28. So that gives us 18.53, which I'm actually, yeah, I wanted to get rid of that 6. All right, so 1853. All right, yeah. Sorry, I got a little out of whack there. So now we can just do the right side. So 2 times 7 times 10, which gives us 140. So we have plus 140. So we have 18.53 plus 140. So to get the final answer, we can do 18.53, 53 plus 140. So our answer is 158.53 feet squared. Hope this helps. Make sure to do this part right here every time. Find everything and label it. It makes your world a lot easier. So yeah, hope this helps. If you need any help, let me know. Be more than willing to help you. Anyway, have a good day.